Today, we're making this delicious beef noodle stir fry. Better than any takeout. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, so we're going to start with some thinly sliced top round steak. We're going to add some baking soda, a little water, mix the combine and let it sit for about 20-25 minutes or so. After that, you want to rinse it really well, and we're going to add some cornstarch, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, some oyster sauce, soy sauce, mix that well to combine and set aside. Next, we're going to mix up our sauces for the stir fry. So here I add some cornstarch, mix that in, and then we'll come in with some oyster sauce, soy sauce, hoisin sauce. We'll also add some sesame oil and some Shaoxing wine. Mix that to combine and set aside. Next, we're going to go ahead and boil our noodles. Today I'm using fresh Udon noodles, but feel free to use any noodle of your choice. We're going to boil this for about 8 minutes, then run some cool water over it and set it to the side. Now let's cook up our steak. We're going to cook this until it's thoroughly cooked. And once done, we're going to go ahead and add some aromatics. So today I'm using bell peppers, onion, garlic, and ginger. Give that a mix and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes, after which we will come in with some bokchoy and some carrots. You can also use any veggies here that you enjoy. Then we're going to come in with our noodles. We're going to add that sauce, some fresh scallion, give everything a good toss, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. And this is better than any takeout you could go and buy, in any restaurant. Trust me, so delicious, so flavorful, and absolutely amazing. And it was so simple, anyone can make it. Now let's plate up and show the finished product. Here you have it, my version of beef noodle stir fry. When I tell you this was chef kiss delicious, you have to try the recipe. So give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.